Okay guys, remember when I told you this morning that I had propagated my Pride and Joy sedums, and I wanted to show you what that looked like. As you see, I took them and I started them with vermiculite and some perlite, and I put them in a greenhouse like this, and I started them off here. And those are there's a few in there still growing and doing pretty well. I'm not sure if they're quite rooted as well as these others, but I wanted to show you what I put a little potting soil in with that after they started rooting, and then we took and put them in egg cartons. Put them in egg cartons to see how well they would do, and they were all turned away from the sun, and now they all kind of turned toward the sun. You can see they're blooming. They're doing pretty good. So I got about 6, 7 of them here. There's one here that doesn't have a leaf on it, but it's still rooted for some reason. I would have thought it needed. I'm sorry for the noise. I live on a busy street, and I just can't do nothing about it. But anyways, you can see they're doing really well, and pretty soon, maybe next week, I'll put them in the ground, and I'll talk to you later. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will probably be changing channel names soon, but right now I thought I would show you my propagation of my Pride and Joy sedums by Proven Renters. Thanks. Bye. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. And as I said, that I'm new, and as my channel grows, I probably would get maybe a better camera. Right now, this camera is really good, but I don't have no way to hold it. Maybe I'll fix that later on. But this is what it is, and thank you for watching. Bye.